Hi, my name is Keisha and welcome to my channel. Please like and subscribe and help me to grow my channel. Today we're going to be doing my birthday unboxing. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, what's funny about this is that my birthday is in the beginning of March and it is April 21st today. So everything that I wanted this year for my birthday, which I think this was the first year that I kind of knew what I wanted, but unfortunately everything that I wanted was unavailable. So when I did go to the mall on my birthday, I spoke with the SA. She tried to find me the items, but unfortunately nothing was available at any store, but they were able to put in a reservation for me. So what a reservation is that you would pay for the item and then basically it's a waiting game. So everything started to trickle in and unfortunately every brand that I was interested did not have the item that I wanted. So I just started to get in a few pieces within the last couple of weeks. And instead of waiting, I decided that I'm just gonna open up what has arrived thus far, and there will be a part 2 whenever it is that those items decide to arrive. So let's go ahead and get started. The first item that I'm gonna unbox with you guys today is something that I saw. I actually was watching YouTube, of course, and I saw that Speedy 20 girl unboxing her item, and I completely fell in love. And now let's go ahead and get started with what I received for my birthday. So it is from my favorite store in the world. It's from Louis Vuitton, and this is the latest and newest addition to my collection. I haven't bought anything from Louis Vuitton since I think late 2020, and it's for a couple of reasons. One, I do have a very large collection, so I'm very mindful before I add something else. Not that I wouldn't like to add everything and keep up with all their latest collections. It's just that I didn't feel like I needed everything, even though I probably did want everything, or maybe it was the reason that my husband stopped me every time. But I also, with the pandemic, I wasn't going anywhere and I didn't feel the need to add anything new to my collection. But this little beauty I was able to finally receive. I picked her up about a week and a half ago, and it is the Nano Speedy. So that Speedy 20 girl, we are officially bag sisters. So here she is. She has the aged leather. So she is pre-tanned. And this is exactly like the mini HL that Louis Vuitton first came out with. The only difference being is that it is able to have a strap on the sides. So it's a very tiny little bag, and she does have her shoulder strap. So there she is, and the shoulder strap is removable and adjustable. So very tiny little bag, and I'm so happy that I was finally able to get her. I knew I wanted her, but she was available absolutely nowhere. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the strap on. And let's try her on. And believe it or not, I did not try her on in the store. I think as soon as they called me and said that this was available, I ran in, paid, and was on my way. and I just am getting over another flu. So I haven't really been in the mood to film, but I do want to go ahead and wear this cute handbag. So I decided to go ahead and film today and take her out of the box. So I wanted to share with you guys first. So it is very snug if you were going to put it on the arm, but it does pass over my very large hand. And here she is. So lately I've been into a smaller bag, and I am just so happy to add this to my Speedy collection. And Speedies to me are so timeless, and I don't have a mini. So I decided to go ahead and get this adorable Speedy. And right now I am wearing my boat chapeau. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off the bag charm and add it on, just to dress this one up a little bit. So let's see how that looks. So I'll go ahead and quickly take it off, and let's dress this cutie pie up and see how she looks. So this is one of my little bag charms that I have, and we're gonna go ahead and add it on. So there she is, absolutely adorable. So this is one of the two items that I'm gonna unbox today, and the other one is not from Louis Vuitton, but it is an unboxing, and I think I'm even more excited about this one. This one is from Fendi, and I haven't bought anything from Fendi in years. The last bag that I had was a Fendi baguette with the Zucca print on it, but I sold it to Fashion File. I wish I would have waited, because right now it is on trend, and I probably would have gotten a lot more money for it now, but I did it when probably no one wanted it, and they didn't have the new release as of yet. It's been a couple of years, but this is my new Fendi bag, and I'm very excited for this one. So this is how they sent it to me, and it was also a waiting game for this one. So here we go. And it is another mini bag. And this one is in white, and it's the Fendigraphy. So cute. So I knew this bag was coming. Unfortunately, I had to wait a very long time to get this cute bag, and it's kind of like you can wear it as a wristlet, kind of. And I am gonna add a strap on it, but this is in the white color. Let's go ahead and take that sticker off, and look at that. I just love this bag. I think it's just so different and unique. And I don't usually, they did offer other colors, but I decided to go with the white. I don't have many white handbags, and I don't usually spend a lot of money on a white bag, but since it was my birthday, I decided to treat myself. So there is the card. And the interior, it looks like it's in a gold leather. And the funny story with this bag is that I did purchase online, and it said that it was available, but then they didn't ship it until weeks and weeks later. So I was waiting, and finally it did arrive, I think around the same time as my Nano Speedy. So I got my Louis Vuitton Felici chain, and I'm gonna add it on to this bag. Now, I did see some gorgeous Fendi chains, but they were so expensive that I decided to pass, and I said, you know what? This Fendi chain is gonna work just fine for this little bag, but I absolutely love it. So I do have the option of wearing it crossbody if I'd like to. And I did pick up this gorgeous chain at Bloomingdale's, and this one is from Marc Jacobs. It's $85. So let's see. Okay, yeah. It's about $85. And it has like so many different links. It has like a curb link, and then a larger curb, and then like a Rolo. So beautiful. So it has like 3 different types of chains, and they have it in gold, they have it in silver, and they have it in like a 2-tone. So I was able to pick this up, and I had it in mind for this bag as well. So let's go ahead and see how this cute little bag looks with that chain. Okay. And it's very heavy. It's a nice weighty chain, but not too heavy. Okay, so it does falls below the hip, and the Fendi chain falls on the hip. Ooh, I'm gonna hit myself with this heavy chain. So there she is. And I absolutely love Fendi. When I was younger, my dog's name was Fendi. So, and she was white, just like this handbag. So, these are the items that I got for my birthday. And when the others arrive, we will unbox together. And I wanted to show you guys, well, actually, I wanted to see myself also what fits in this little bag. So I did bring out a couple of pieces just to see, because I was very curious to see what would kind of fit in here. It has beautiful gold hardware, and I brought my little card holder. So you kind of have to maybe stick it in this way and then turn it. This bag definitely will not fit a telephone, well, my telephone at least. I did also bring my clay, but I think it will fit, you know, maybe a lip gloss and a couple of card holders. So maybe your keys, and you can be on your way. I absolutely am so excited about both of these cuties. Later on, after I've worn this bad boy, I will let you guys know what fits inside. But I'm super happy. So to finally start trickling in my birthday goodies that I received. So thank you for watching, and look out for part 2 of my birthday unboxing. As soon as those items arrive, I can't wait to share with you. And God bless you. I hope you have a wonderful day, and take care. Until next time, bye.